everybody, this is Tess with Rowe Dental Lab, and today I want to talk with you about utilizing your intraoral scanner for immediate digital denture cases. This is something I love talking about because oftentimes we don't think of our scanner as being something we use for removables, and we totally can. Immediate dentures are also a great way to kind of get your feet wet and see what you think about the materials, shades, and details behind our impact dentures while still making the patient a new denture later on, either using impact if you liked that, iVotion milled material, or maybe going a conventional route if that's what you prefer. But it's a great way to do a test drive and see what you think. So let's talk a little bit about submitting records for these cases. So similar to an analog workflow, we'll still need upper, lower, and a bite. The great thing with being digital is that you're not going to have to pour up analog models out of alginate, box those up, send them into Rowe, simply scan and submit. From there, we can either fabricate a final denture for you, or if the patient was already missing a few teeth and you'd like to reestablish their VDO, we can return a bite block to you from those digital records. Some other details you can include are photos of the patient if you'd like us to mimic the shade, the contour of the teeth, maybe the patient's setup prior to having the extractions done, or include any other details that can help us tailor that case specifically to you and your patient. If these weren't enough details for you, we also have a free digital denture ebook that you can download on our website now. Or if you have questions, call into one of our experienced technical support specialists for help on your next case. Feel free to like and follow us on social media. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we look forward to taking your first immediate digital denture test drive with you.